If you're thinking of adding a beautiful pool and spa like this one to your home, you want to make sure you have a quality company to work with. Joining us here today is Ben Evans from American Pools and Spas. Welcome back. Great to see you.
Thank you. Great to be back.
You have been in the pool industry, as we've discussed before, for many, many years, 35 years in the business, 20 years as American Pools and Spas. What's your secret to success?
A lot of holes. We dig a lot of holes, and definitely having great employees and great people behind me make all the difference in the world.
You really understand each and every part of the pool business, and I guess that's maybe what makes you such a good boss here at American Pools and Spas, because you have employees that have been here as long as you've been in existence.
Yes, we have one especially that's been here is David Cabney. He's been here since a few months after I opened up American Pools and Spas in January of '99. He's one of my top design consultants, sales manager, does a great job for us.
One thing I enjoy is the opportunity when a client first walks through the front door is to be able to show them around our design center, which is one of a kind here in Florida. I enjoy working for American Pools and Spas. It's a family-owned business, and they truly treat you like family.
So folks do want to schedule an appointment here at American Pools and Spas to see what you can do for them. The first person they're going to talk to is Nancy at the front desk.
Yes, Nancy has been with me for a lot of years, and she's the first one that you're going to encounter. She's been in the pool industry a long time and understands the design process and kind of the, how the design process needs to go. So she'll explain it to the customer as far as being able to design the pool and get it with a design consultant. And then the follow-up, of course, is very important in the pool industry.
I'm proud to work at American Pools and Spas because I know our company does quality work and we stand behind everything that we build, 100%.